So what we're going to have a look at now, just a very quick troubleshooting step with regard to the Sony WH-1000XM4. So what you may find from time to time is that the functions don't work as they should. So for example, you have on these a custom button which is to change from noise cancellation to ambient sound. Sometimes that becomes unresponsive. You've also got the left and the right cup, and on the right cup this is meant to be touch sensitive, so that you can push up to increase the volume, down to decrease, right to skip, left to go back, and tap, double tap to pause and stop. What I've found is that sometimes these controls can become unresponsive, and when I purchased this set straight out of the box, they were being a bit temperamental. So the way to solve that is just to do a factory reset. So let me just show you very quickly how to do that. You've got to make sure that the headset isn't connected to anything, and you've got to make sure it's powered off. So if you've got it powered on, you hold down the power key so that you've got no LEDs flashing on there. What you then do very simply is hold down both the power key and the custom key together for approximately 7 seconds until you see the blue light flash 4 times. There you go, you've got 4 blinking blue lights, and that's when you've done your factory reset. And when you now turn it on, you just pair as normal. People go into automatic pairing mode, and hopefully that will make sure that everything's working as it should. If you've set any settings in the Sony app, so the Sony app is the Headphones Connect, you'll need to just set those settings again. That's quite simple, and it'll only take you a few seconds to do, so don't worry about anything that you may have lost there. Hope that's helpful, and if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, and please feel free to subscribe for other great tech ideas on Tech Overgo for the house, including new products and also troubleshooting steps.